So this is the lesson to Kuya Dan Mardayaw and Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, both of you. Please, both of you, do not politicalize against Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Remember that, I say to both of you, Alexandra Pagkalinawan, Dan Mardayaw, please all of you, both of you, do not talk about politics. About to Kuya Rodelio Daguman. You know, Cedric, Mariano, and Kuya Rodelio Daguman are non-political. Do both of you want to be happen like Paulo Cruzada? Full of terrorism, full of politics? I don't talk politics anyway. So let's move on from them. You know, for Paulo Cruzada, Paulo Cruzada, here's my accusations against you. Do not terrorize Joseph Maspinas and even Teacher May. Just remember, Joseph Maspinas and Teacher May, they're against terrorism. Oh, I talked with Eddie Smith, my American friend. Oh, he said to me that Paulo Cruzada should stop promoting terrorism. Oh, because I know he's saying about ISIS, he's saying about Islamic State of Iraq and Syria, he says about those words. You need to tell him to stop. Oh, you know, Paulo Cruzada, you need to stop promoting ISIS. Remember, like I said before, ISIS are very evil compared to Bongbong Marcos and Ferdinand Marcos Sr. ISIS are evil compared to Pol Pot, even the Khmer Rouge. Why you even to praise ISIS or Islamic State of Iraq and Syria? Paulo Cruzada, don't even know the Philippines had already defeated the ISIS. Because I know Teacher May is very angry at you. Why Teacher May is angry at you? Why Teacher May criticize you? Oh. Because I know you're promoting ISIS or Islamic State of Iraq and Syria or Islamic State of Iraq and Levant or called ISIL. Remember, Paulo Cruzada, if you imagine, if you watch Mosul, that Iraqi film, me and Jay Rick, we discuss about what really happened in Mosul, the Iraqi Special Forces, even the Popular Mobilization Forces of Iraq, they are fighting against terrorists, they're fighting against ISIS. Paulo Cruzada, do not promote ISIS. Remember, all the Philippines had already wiped out all the ISIS in the Philippines. You are very abnormal. You are very stupid. You compare like Paula, very stupid. Why do you promote ISIS, Paulo Cruzada? I'm sorry for Paula, I do not mention Paula Nunez. You know, Paulo Cruzada, I'm not promoting terrorism, Paulo Cruzada. Gina Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio, G. Macasandil, the uncle of Paula Nunez. Please, all of you, do not promote ISIS. You know, ISIS are evil. Me, I made this in my YouTube video. If I read this in Wikipedia, the ISIS have been destabilized in the Philippines. They're already been neutralized. You see, like I said before, ISIS have been neutralized. Hundreds of radical group like Maute Group, Abu Sayyaf, they are already defeated by Rodrigo Duterte in the following of the Marawi siege in 2017. You know, Paulo Cruzada, over the few days, do not promote ISIS. Remember that? ISIS. What is wrong with you, Paulo Cruzada? Why do you like ISIS? Is this a teachings from Teacher May to promote terrorism? To promote that the fucking ISIS? I'm sorry for my bad words, I do not say bad words to everyone. You know, Paulo Cruzada, look at what happened in Bondi Beach. In the Bondi Beach incident. The ISIS have been killed Australians who were Jewish, who were non-Israelis. This has really happened. The two Indian Sajib Nakram and Navid Akram are father and son who sympathize ISIS. Do you want to be like those gunmen, Paulo Cruzada? Even Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Sejo, Jima Casandil, Joseph Maspinas had hired all the checkpoint. Oh, even the checkpoint in military, police, and many more. Oh, the NBI will arrest you, Paulo Cruzada. The police will arrest you, Paulo Cruzada. You want to be like that? You know, Paulo Cruzada, do not threaten to harass Teacher Kel, Teacher May, Teacher Marisa, Teacher Riza, even Drita Ziri and Mina Suchoy, even Teacher Jessa and Teacher Lendel. Do not threaten to harass them. Do not terrorize them, Paulo Cruzada. Remember, I was told by Eskel Penumbra, when he said to me, sino ba si Paulo Cruzada? I respond to Eskel Penumbra. That was a student of Teacher May. And Eskel Penumbra says, yes, I didn't know who is this guy was. Hindi ko yan kilala. You know, Paulo Cruzada, you need to stop promoting terrorism. You see what happened to Isilon Napilon and Omar Maute. They've been killed by Rodrigo Duterte Armed Forces of the Philippines or Philippine Armed Forces. Even the Philippine Army Scout Rangers. They kill all ISIS. When are you gonna stop promoting ISIS, Paulo Cruzada? You know, Paulo Cruzada, ISIS are anti-Christ. They are anti-Muslims who were Shia and Sunnis. They are not teachings of Islam. Remember that, Paulo Cruzada. You are abnormal. Even you, Jordan Bunagan, you're defending Paulo Cruzada. Why can't you ask your friend to stop what is promoting terrorism? Teacher May is very angry at you, Paulo Cruzada. What does Teacher May says to me? When she angry at you, when she criticize you, is this a teachings for being an act of special to promote, to become a ISIS wannabe, or terrorist wannabe? Is this an act of special, Paulo Cruzada? You're not acting yourself, you're normal. You are abnormal. You are an asshole, Paulo Cruzada. I'm sorry for my bad words, guys. You remember, you need to stop promoting ISIS. You need to stop harassing Teacher May. Like I said before, Paulo Cruzada, I chat Jardino. Teacher May is already retired. She is an early retirement. I've been discussed that with Sir Paulo Cuwa. Oh, Teacher May is retired. Why Teacher May is retired? Oh, I've been talked to Ate Mel. That Teacher May is in the house. She's in retirement. Hindi na po natuturo si Teacher May sa CDIFI. I'm saying to you, Paulo Cruzada, Kathleen says to me, you know, Paulo Cruzada, this is hard to say, Teacher May is already retired. And now you see, Rafael had seen the messages from Paulo Cruzada. When I say, Tita May, like I said, not Tito Mac's wife, she say Tita May Tiburcio, Teacher May, I mentioned, I described. Tita May, she said it. Who's Paulo Cruzada? And Teacher May responds, it was my student, my former student, Paulo Cruzada. And Rafael Tiburcio said, I didn't know who this guy was. Hindi ko yan kilala. You know, Paulo Cruzada, do not harass Teacher May. Teacher May is already retired. I removed Teacher May in my enemy list. I know she is pro Sara Duterte and pro Rodrigo Duterte. I removed Teacher May in my enemy list. What is else wrong with you, Paulo Cruzada, about Teacher May, ha? Just to know you threaten to harass her? What's your problem, Paulo Cruzada, if Teacher May supports Rodrigo Duterte to fight against ISIS terrorists in the Philippines like Abu Sayyaf and Maute? What's the problem of Teacher May that she support Rodrigo Duterte, that he's fighting against illegal drugs like Kuratong Baleleng and even Bahalagang and also the drug addicts? What is wrong with you, Paulo Cruzada? Ano bang problema mo kay Teacher May? About that she's supporting Rodrigo Duterte administration to fight against ISIS terrorists, to fight against illegal drugs. What is your problem, Paulo Cruzada? Ha? Teacher May, she doesn't do anything to you. Like I said, maawa ka sa tao yan. Like I said, you know, she is really upset. You know, Paulo Cruzada, one day, Joseph Maspinas will report you to barangay in Quezon City together with Teacher May. Teacher May and Joseph Maspinas will both report you to barangay. That's why Ronald Rebena says to you, mahiya ka naman, Paulo Cruzada. You know, you're promoting ISIS. You say about ISIS. J-Rick says to me, kinuwento yan sa akin ni J-Rick. J-Rick told me about the issue of Paulo Cruzada, what he just did to Joseph Maspinas. Puro ISIS, ISIS, you know, ano bang pinagsasabit to ni Paulo Cruzada, what he said. You know, Paulo Cruzada, do not harass Teacher May. You know, Lawrence Villawan and I, we are angry at you, Paulo Cruzada. J. Rick Silva and Joseph Maspinas are very angry at you, Paulo Cruzada. You're harassing anybody, including Joseph Maspinas, including Teacher May. And if there's Josh Gozo, if he threatened to shoot you at shotgun, what he said before, sabog ang mukha mo, Paulo Cruzada. You know, ISIS, Paulo Cruzada, is a radical Islamist. They are not teachings of Islam. You need to stop what you're doing. You know that, Paulo Cruzada? You don't know what you're understanding, what you do not know what you're talking about. Like I was told by Eddie Smith, my American friend, even Lawrence Villawan, oh, I do not want to harass Teacher May, oh, because I know Teacher May, she is my former teacher. She is my fellow Duterte supporter. And she's a non-political because I know I like Teacher May at the time. Teacher May is very kind, very trust, very rough, tough, and rogue. And mostly caring to all of us. May malasakit yan si Teacher May. If I were you, Paulo Cruzada, wag mo ganunin si Teacher May. You know, Teacher May, like I said to you, she is very retired in teachings in CDIFI. I was told I just told to J. Rick Silva, I told to Eddie Smith, my American friend, I told to Lawrence Villawan, Katin Canete. Teacher May is already retired. What is wrong with you, Paulo Cruzada, about Teacher May? Oh, what's wrong with you? Me, me, for example, Paulo Cruzada, Teacher May gave me a red t-shirt in Christmas party. Teacher May gave me what's that tumbler. Oh, that that was came back from Minnesota. I never say it to Terra Francisco that I have that one before. You know, Paulo Cruzada, do not harass Teacher May. Have mercy to Teacher May.